We're not here to criticize me because I'm not a cosmetologist. I'm not a braider. I'm not none of that.
I have waited lifetimes to find you. Now that you're here, I can remind you.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kiki and this is KISSIMMEE. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Do not be afraid to subscribe because it's lit over here. Welcome back to another video here on my channel, and we're going to be doing another style over my locks. It's a requested video from the last video that I did with a style over my locks, and we're going to be doing some knotless plaits on my hair. I'm going to be using the Expression Twisted Up hair in the color 99J/350. It's a blend. It's really like the 350, which is the brighter parts of my hair at the ends, and then the 99J kind of in the middle, mixed in a little bit. I think the blend looks well. I think it goes well with my hair. I've already started the back, and I wanted to come in with y'all on the tutorial on the front. Let's get into the video, but let me give you guys a sneak peek of what's to come as far as what the braids are looking like as of right now. For each braid, I'm using 2 of the pre-separated strands, and I take each strand and I'm breaking it down into 3s. They're not all equal pieces, but if you are using it correctly, strategically, it should still be fine. So I'm going to take my 2 strands and make it 6.
Set me up, I'm with Tyler Young, slide, he ride like the car, and she wicked, like one Vicky, oh my God, damn not tick,
Alright y'all, so I finally finished the back and we are on the last 4. I wanted to show y'all kind of a close-up. I'm not sure if I got good footage before, so we're going to try again. So that's Because of the layout of my locks though, there's not like a distinct side part that I can also do in the middle part. So I just have a middle part, which is fine with me. I'm not going to keep these in for that long because I think they're going to be too bulky to put a bun for work. And it's just going to cause tension. We know I hate that. But yeah, so I pretty much am just spraying the roots with water and cleaning up the locks. It's not going to be perfect, like as if I had loose natural hair and I was getting box braids, but it's going to be good enough for me. And then I just start by plaiting my locks down to a certain point, like right here, kind of like halfway. And then I clip it in place while I separate the hair. And again, I'm just taking 2 of these single strands and splitting them into 3 each. So that you have 6 sections. And that's how we add it in. This is my hair all crinkly but done. I'm gonna go and dip it and then I'll be back to show y'all the finished look. It's kind of stiff. I think dipping is gonna make it look a little better. There are some flyaways with some of these because I couldn't tuck it all the way. I did as best as I can. We're not here to criticize me because I'm not a cosmetologist. I'm not a braider. I'm not none of that. But I brought y'all something that y'all wanted to see. And we're gonna come back with the final results after everything's been dipped. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I'm gonna stand up here so y'all can see the ends. This is how it looks. And from the camera, it looks very good. But there are a lot of things that I have learned and that I will do better for next time. Do I like the style? Yes. Do I like showing y'all how versatile locks can be? Yes. And will I be doing this again? Yes. So make sure you comment down below and let me know what you think of this look. Let me know, would you be trying it? For the record, I used 2 of the Expression twisted up. Let me see. For the record, I have 2 of the Expression twisted up hats, but I still have 1 full bundle remaining that I did not use. So that's technically like 5 bundles of the Expression twisted up here. For this Locs, I think I have an odd number of Locs, 77 or 79 Locs. So that's like for your reference as far as maybe why I needed so many. I did the ends. I do like how it looks with the ends dipped. But like I said, there are some things that I feel like I could do better next time. It took me a long time, so I'm not about to redo none of these braids. We're finna rock out with them. I probably won't have them in longer than a week. Maybe in the next video, I'll do a couple different styles with them. I'm not sure, depending on how I'm feeling. But yeah, they probably will not be in when I return to work. But yeah, that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it down below in the comments. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and show me that you're rocking with me. That's the only way how. Also, hit the thumbs up. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.